my name is Justin. I have missed you guys. I apologize for staying away for a long time. And I'm back, and let's see how this is going to take us into 2018 and also take us farther and beyond. For those who are just coming to my channel, you're welcome. I love you to stick with me, give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and this is how we can grow this channel. I love you guys, and today I have this brown makeup look tutorial for you. I'd love for you to sit with me and let's create this look together. Love you.
Starting off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Ebony as usual. This is the look on my face when I go with this product. Well, I am just putting the product on with my small angle brush, and then I'll be defining my brows with my LA Girl concealer in Warm Honey. This is a concealer that I really love to apply on my eyelids, and I just use it to cover up. Then I'll be using my Sacha Butter Cosmetics powder to mattify my eyes, and then to this BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm using this orangey color, and it's so gorgeous. It's really pigmented, and I'm just going to apply that on the upper part of my crease, at the center of my eyes, kind of. And I'm using this palette from Morphe, using the orange shade and the eyeshadow palette. Moving to this brown eyeshadow by Morphe, I'm going to apply it on the outer part of my crease and create like an arch into my crease as well. And just keep blending it, and so that it can blend into the transition color, which was the orange shade. And then I'll apply my concealer again, and then just smoothing it out so that it can be smooth enough. And then mattify it with some powder. And I'm using this beige color from the Morphe's palette for my eyeshadow as well. This is the bright part of the eyeshadow work, and I'm just going to keep applying it basically on my eyelid and then smoothing out the edges. And then I'll put this same brown eyeshadow, which is kind of bronzy in color, on the same beige eyeshadow, and then I'll mattify my brow bone as well with this bright shade from Morphe's. And then I'm using my BH Cosmetics eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner because it's pen and I can easily apply compared to the other ones that we used to use. And then I'm using my Maybelline mascara to brush up my lashes, and then I'll be applying primer from MAC, Prep and Prime. I'm just going to apply that all over and rub it all over my face. And then using my Black Opal foundation in Nutmeg. This is my go-to foundation, you all know that. And I'll blend it out with my blending sponge. And using my concealer from LA Girl in Warm Honey, I'm just going to apply it on the highlighted areas, and then use the Black Opal Black Walnut foundation on the parts that I need to contour. And then blend out the whole concealer and blend out the whole highlighted points and contour parts together so that I can have like a finished structured face. So I like to contour my nose as well because I have a big nose. And then blend out my forehead as well. And then I am mattifying the highlighted part with the Sacha Butter Cosmetics powder. I'm just going to keep applying it on the highlighted areas. My T-zone, forehead. And then blending out with my powder brush from Real Techniques. Then I'm using my Milani powder and using my Costa Stains brush to apply the powder as well. And then I'm using my Silky Smooth eye pencil in black for the lower part of my eyelids. And then brighten out my eyes as well. And I'm using this Maybelline powder in Cacao for the contoured areas of my face, just to mattify and a darker shade on my face. And then I'm using this Health Highlighting powder. It is a baked powder, and I really love it because it gives me this goldy finish. It is rose gold in color. I love to apply it on the bridge of my nose and my forehead area. And then I have my BH Cosmetics blush palette. I'll just apply it on apples on my cheeks, and then use my Zaron pencil in bold for my lips to define my lips. And then using this pencil from Outdoor Girl, it's a brown shade, and then with my NARS Cosmetics in Belize, it's nude in color. And I'm using this BH Cosmetics lip gloss in nude rose. I absolutely love the finish. And there we go with the look. It is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you were able to recreate this look. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.